Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So don't go away.
You don't want to miss this.
Beachy Beach.
So today we're over here on the west end of Panama City Beach.
Right.
The gorgeous Laguna Beach area. Can you just not get over the location of this house?
I'm just ready to jump in. It's right there. We can just jump in.
It's the beach access is amazing.
Yes.
We're over here just a couple blocks west of Carousel, kind of in that coveted West End area. Few minutes to PierPark shopping, a few minutes to Frank Brown,
right.
and just a short drive to the airport and to the shops and restaurants on 30A as well. 4-bedroom, 5-bath house, double garage, plenty of storage for your beach toys, and access to a pool. Heather, what are some things that you loved about this home?
Okay, I've got a few.
Okay.
One, you don't even need to get in any vehicle, golf cart or anything to get to the sand.
Okay.
2-second walk. My next thing is this one has a movie theater. It's already ready to go for those casual nights after you've been on the beach all day. How perfect is that?
Okay, rainy days, not
Absolutely.
a good beach day. You got the media room. I also noticed there's a small little bath off of the garage, so if you want to rinse off after the beach, you can do that as well.
Yep.
But great spot. You could use it as your private beach house or actualize great vacation rental income. It is priced just a little over $1 million. Great value over here on the west end of Panama City Beach.
That's right.
Give us a call. We would love to show it to you.
And if you'd like more information about this particular listing, just look in the description below and you'll be able to find the link straight to the listing.
Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future hot properties like these.